sensors over here. It's a demand control system. Basically, save the energy because your exhaust fans are continuously running on a 100 speed. So in that, for that purpose, we have this. So here are your two optics. One is called receiver, one is called emitter. There is a lens over here. This is how. So this senses the smoke. When you cook over here, when the heat goes up, senses the smoke. When the smoke senses what is the temperature, it will detect, and on that contains the pan in the right. Okay. So the optic sensors one two, and inside the duct we have a temperature sensors. It also senses the temperature inside the duct. So the basic thing of this is you can know whenever you do whenever you are doing the cooking or something, nothing must come between it because these are the lasers. If this get blocked, the whole system will run on 100 speed, full speed. So there will be no energy saved. It will suck whatever the smoke and everything, it will be sucked. But if it's blocked, it will not do the same. Don't need to block. And basically what we also do is
Only
for the efficiency with the control.
no, it's very easy. Daily. Not on a daily basis, even on a weekly basis. Because
On a week?
basically what happens is like when there is a continuous cooking, no? The oil, just you have to just press on both sides.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Just you have to do a small tissue paper.
Right, but dry tissue paper don't put any chemicals, huh?
What's the purpose is way?
So I have a question, bro. This one we can clean every day, right?
No issue.
So your cleaning thing, you can do anything. Right? It is not into our segment. But for this, I'm talking about.
So how about our toast grill? Because before we clean the toast, especially
No, it's not.
cabin.
That it is not coming into our segment.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. And this control is behind. I'm taking over the.
Go.